Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Ohanaeze Igbo has alleged that Atiku Abubakar wants Peter Obi to be his vice president. But the Ohanaeze, which is an umbrella body of Igbo-speaking people of Nigeria, is insisting that power must remain in the South in 2027. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And welcome. You are welcome on board. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, there is a report that stated that Ohanaeze has condemned former Vice President Alhaji Atiku Abubakar for pushing for a northern presidency in 2027. In a statement, the group accused Atiku of attempting to undermine the rotational presidency principles, which has been a cornerstone of Nigerian politics since 1999. The group submitted that by his push and open romance with Peter Obi, Atiku wants to make the former Labour Party presidential candidate to be his vice president in 2027. The organization, however, said that it stands against any attempt to install a northern presidency in 2027, saying power must remain in the South until 2031. Now, that lengthy statement by Ohanaeze was signed by Okechukwu Isiguzoro. It was signed by Okechukwu Isiguzoro, who noted that Atiku Abubakar's pursuit of a northern presidency has tarnished his image among the Igbo people. In contrast, according to the statement, the Ohanaeze Igbo group expressed support for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration, citing his commitment to infrastructural development in the Southeast. Now, it was when I got to this level, I now knew that this cannot be the real Ohanaeze. When I got to this place, where this paragraph, where Ohanaeze was expressing support for Bola Ahmed Tinubu as a result of infrastructural development in the Southeast, when I know for a fact there was no infrastructural development from Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the Southeast. It was now known that this cannot be the real Ohanaeze. And now I now have to look at, I now want to find out who is this Isiguzoro. And I discovered that he is not the authentic Secretary General of Ohanaeze Igbo. The authentic Secretary General of Ohanaeze Igbo is Ambassador Oke Amuche, while the National Publicity Secretary of Ohanaeze Igbo, the authentic one, is Dr. Alex Obonia. And any statement that does not come from Ambassador Oke Amuche or from the National Publicity Secretary, Dr. Alex Obonia, it means that people should take that statement with a pinch of salt. Now, what did I bring up? I could have just forgotten about it when I discovered that this Ohanaeze statement was not from the real Ohanaeze. But I also know that in these days of misinformation and all that, people can run with it. Anybody that reads through this statement by Ohanaeze, signed by Isiguzoro, would assume that Ohanaeze is endorsing Tinubu for second term. Okay? Peter Obi was only mentioned in this statement that Atiku Abubakar want to use him as vice president. He wasn't presented as an alternative to Tinubu. Okay? Because if you say, and rightly so, if you say that power should not go back to the North in 2027 as a result of fairness, justice, and equity, you can understand that. But for you, Ohanaeze, to be silent on who is likely to be there, and you are now endorsing somebody that everybody has acknowledged have been incompetent. You are telling us that Tinubu has been providing infrastructural development. Where is that infrastructural development in the Southeast? Because I know that the real Ohanaeze cannot stoop so low to give an unnecessary accolade to Tinubu when it does not exist anywhere in the Southeast. You understand what I'm saying? So that was when my alarm bell rang when I saw that. I said, no, are you sure that this is from the real Ohanaeze? And I've been proven right. It couldn't have been. But the premise of the whole thing is right in the subsection that Atiku Abubakar should not be thinking of returning to power, of coming back to power in 2027. That 2027 is still the turn of the South to produce a president. But if 2027 has to be Tinubu, are you saying that the South is comfortable with the incompetency of Tinubu when they have people like Peter Obi who could do a better job in managing the next 4 years from 2027? It doesn't really make sense to me. So the Ohanaeze's endorsement, because many people will run with it when they read us to say, even Ohanaeze, they are supporting Tinubu for 2027. That's not true. Ohanaeze fought for Peter Obi for fairness, justice, and equity in 2023. They cannot change their tune this time around because of Tinubu or because of Atiku Abubakar. And Ohanaeze was not the only group. All the major socio-cultural groups in Nigeria, all the major ones, except Arewa Consultative Forum, they supported Peter Obi. The Middle Belt Forum supported Peter Obi. And it was basically for fairness, justice, and equity. Afenifere, the men Afenifere, led by Padebanjo, supported Peter Obi, endorsed him. So for fairness, justice, and equity, if the South must retain power in 2027, it has to be somebody like Peter Obi. It can't be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Bola Ahmed Tinubu literally imposed himself. That was why you can see that during that election, he was roundly rejected by people of Southern Nigeria, because people of Southern Nigeria are aware that power is not supposed to go to Southwest. After 8 years of Obasanjo, 8 years of Obasanjo, 8 years of Yemi Osibanjo, it will be unfair. It's unfair for power to go to Southwest. And that was why many people didn't vote for Tinubu. Of course, that's aside the other baggages he came with ahead of that election. Of course, some of those baggages, they carried them. So that was why he was roundly rejected in Southern Nigeria. So what difference has he made? He hasn't been able to convince anybody that his rejection by Southern Nigerians, by most Southern Nigerians, by most, I'm being careful, by most Southern Nigerians, Tinubu was rejected in South, Southeast. In Southwest, it was only 4 states. So if you look at it, most states in Southern Nigeria rejected Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They rejected his presidency. So whatsoever they found as the reason why they rejected him, what has changed that will make them to change their mind that when the North is pushing that he cannot return, What this House should be doing is to make a case for another North Southern candidate. Ohanaeze should be pushing for Peter Obi to be the alternative. I'm not for Ohanaeze to be tactically saying that Tinubu is providing them with infrastructure, non-existent infrastructure. Which means that this statement was basically people who are looking for favors from Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because that's not a reflection of the reality on the ground. People are fed up with the suffering in the country and with this poor state of infrastructure and insecurity and everything else that have been the order of the day in this country under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.